Hi, my name is Matt Brown. I am a junior high math and science teacher in Sharon Springs, Kansas. Some goals I have for this program is just from the basics, just learning how to implement technology more effectively in my classroom on a day-to-day basis. I know that there's a digital age coming up, and the more prepared we have these kids for it, the better off they're going to be. Um, I eventually would like to work up to doing some virtual school things, and maybe even in the distant future, working at a university someday. That's just how I feel about it. I really love the field of technology, and I'm excited to continue to use it. So that is my strength. Actually, is just my passion for it, and how willing I am to adapt and to learn new things. My weakness is I tend to get a little frustrated and overwhelmed if I don't get it at first. But I mean, going back to my strength, I mean, this is what I like to do, and I'll deal with the weakness as I move forward. One thing I've done so far in this program is everything I've used in the classes I've learned is I've tried to implement at least something into my classroom, just so I continue to use it and get more exposure to the kids, so they're more prepared for the future. Um, Goals I have just to kind of stay focused throughout this program is just remember what the big picture is. I know not every assignment is going to be fun, not going to like everything we do, but keep focusing on that big picture, and it'll pay off on the end. So that's kind of my motivation to stick with it. I look forward to taking this class with you all, and good luck this semester.